What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Saturday. Look at the guns. This is the gun show. Gonna go over Gala games. We are crushing it in the Discord. We're seeing at 0.04548, up 11% on the day. Check this out, guys. My signals are free. TP3 on one of our swing trades, 99% move for Gala. Another one of our swing trades, TP1, 79% move. We just took full profits on a short-term trade, 30% profit. Here's our last week's trades. 10 wins, guys. Pause the screen. 10 wins, 1 loss, 403% total profit. Check this out, guys. Forex weekly results. We had 15 wins, 8 losses. We profited 294. You can see total profit 294 pips. Commodities, which is like gold, US oil, total profit 921 pips. We're crushing it, guys. Imagine getting these kind of trade signals for free. That's what I'm offering. Hang out to the end of the video. So Gala Games up 11%, $1.22 billion market cap, 24-hour volume, 237 million. Let's hop into the analysis. Here's our juicy trade. Look at that entry, shot right up into our profit zone, and we locked it in. Nice 30% gain. So we have a nice 5-way move off the low. Of course, anything can happen. Right now, Bitcoin's consolidating while quite a few of the alts are breaking out, which is typical. If we just continue to push up, I'll show you your next target to look for, but we can pull back from here. If we do pull back from here, the target zone is in between the 78.6 and the 50%, 0.0331, 0.02595 for a wave 2 pullback. If we pull back into this zone, that is your last opportunity to get into Gala Games before we blast off. Please don't sleep on it. If we continue to break to the upside, here's one of our juicy trades. That's 99% move from our entry. This is one of our swing trades. Look at that sniper entry, guys. Absolutely succulent. Big 99% move, all in a day's work. Your next major resistance right around 0.05223. If we continue to push up from here, you have a nice wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, exploding in a wave 3, the most impulsive wave in the Elliott wave method. That will be your next target to look for, and if we pull back from here, that will be your absolute last opportunity to get Gala at these extremely succulent prices. This is my largest investment, one of the best, if not the best metaverse gaming platforms. Not only gaming, music, movies, TV shows. This company is going to be massive. People have been hating on me during the bull market, and now everybody's like, oh, go Gala, go. Fucking chumps. Anyways, for everyone that's been around here during the bull market believing in Gala, shout out to you. Make sure to smash up that like button because I was right there with you. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to either BTCC or MEXC. These are the exchanges I'm affiliate with. Guys, BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. My subscribers only who sign up through my link get 10% back on their fees. MEXC has more trading pairs, so I also use this platform, but you will need a VPN in the US. Sign up to either of these through my links down below. Make your first deposit. It can be $10, $100. I do no longer charge. I do not charge. I was charging $10 before for my signals group. But if you do not want to sign up to either of these exchanges, go to the description and sign up through the Patreon. It's no joke, guys. As you can see with these weekly results, here's the Forex weekly results. Once again, I will show you the crypto weekly results. Crypto, we had 10 wins, 1 loss for free. All you do, sign up, make your first deposit. Can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. I just want to help you reach financial freedom. I don't need your money. I make enough off trading. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.